Well, how's everyone doing, guys? Working in the shop today, nice and cold out, so no blading going on, but just gonna give everybody an update on the shark system here. So I've had this on since the spring, and put about right around 460 hours on it roughly, and I got to take and flip my pins and replace a few of them in the middle. So I'm gonna get some video of doing that today. But we'll keep the video going here. So you can see here that they do have a fair amount of wear to some of them. They're not terrible yet. The metals are obviously worse than what the outsides are. There's still quite a bit of life in these, so what I am going to do is, and I'll take you guys and show you how I do them, but all there is there's a nut with a flat piece of steel on the back side of it that holds them pins in. You just got to loosen that nut up and then just simply flip your pins around, and then you get double the life on them. So I will take and show you guys how I flip one down quick, and I'll get a time lapse set up here and you guys can watch that. Okay, so I got the one flipped here. I'll show the camera what I'm looking at. So these pins here, I just flipped this one. Pop it back out quick for you. So it was sitting in this way. It's wearing across the top, so this is how it normally was. So it's getting all that wear on top, so all I do is I just flip it around and then stick it in there, and then you got the other side to wear. So and all that's held in there is there's a bolt here, short bolt, and then this piece goes on the back side of that, and then that comes up against the head of this pin here. Pull this back out here quick, show you guys. So there's a flat pin there. You just stick that in there, and you just take an impact and tighten that up, and then that's all you do to flip them pins. So I'll go down here and flip all my pins, get some more life out of them. But with that, I'm gonna set a camera up for a time lapse, and I'll show you guys the finished results when I get done here. Okay, well, I got my pins all flipped here, so I'll flip the camera on and show you guys that. So I got all the pins flipped, so they're all gonna wear another life on them anyway. So I'll gonna take and put my actual stinger bits on here. I did have the township get me these. So this would be one of my regular serrated edges that I use, and then these here are my bit boards that go on the shark system. So got all these rotating bits. I did have to put new bits in one edge, and then all these other ones I was able to find a bunch of old ones that are kind of half worn out, whatnot. So I got 3 edges, 3 4-foot edges that have old bits in them, and since we're going to be using them this winter, kind of blading half froze roads and whatnot, I figured might as well burn up the old ones first versus ruin the new ones right away. So going to take and put these edges on, and I'll show you guys the finished blade with the sharks on there. Well, how's everyone doing, guys? In the shop again today. I did go out and do a little blading yesterday afternoon. Got a call, had a real rough road, so I threw my stinger bits on and went and took care of that, and it did work, but it was pretty tough on the bits. So we're actually going to pop them back up, put just a regular set of carbides on. They'll kind of hold up better to the half froze gravel we got right now. But I'll flip the camera around here. So these are the Shark stinger bits, carbide bits, whatever you want to call them. That's this system here. I had a couple wedges loosen up a little bit, so I was breaking the old gravel off. But yeah, I'm going to take these back off and lay these in a corner, and we'll either put these on, we have some hard packed snow, or you know, I do a little mixing gravel in and snow or whatever. But I'll have these all set up and ready to go. I think I'm actually going to put just a regular set of flat carbides on there for the time being to get us through the rest of the winter here. But yeah, I will take and end this part of the video. But that's the carbide rotating bits on the Shark system, and got these from Equipment Blades. So as you can see, there's a lot of different variances on different cutting edges you can get from them. If you want to reach out to them, I will have the link for their website in the video description. And with that, I would like to thank everybody for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.